am really nervous for this video. We have never done anything like this before and I've seen it everywhere, so I thought that we should do it, but I'm quite nervous because this is very much out of my comfort zone. The one good thing is that Brooke is now driving. She's the one now going to have to ask, because I was worried about having to ask, but now I don't even think I'll have to because Brooke's decided to drive. So we are on our way to McDonald's. We're going to be ordering whatever the person in front of us has ordered. So it could be anything, and it's lunchtime, so we're hungry. The plan is to go to McDonald's. We're going to see how much the person in front of us orders. We could potentially go to another place, depends on how much they order. This is actually a joke. If they order a lot, then we'll probably just sit and do a little mukbang for you guys. Got some questions for us to answer, so stay tuned to the end of the video because there is probably going to be some good questions that we will answer for you guys. But let's go to McDonald's. My other big issue that I have with us doing this challenge is I'm not great with different foods.
What do you actually normally order?
Usually chicken selects. But I'm kind of worried about what it's going to be. Literally could be anything on the menu. What if it's like a fish fillet? If we get that, I'm going to be fuming. What do you usually get when you're in there?
I normally get like chicken nuggets or like a wrap or something like that.
What if there's like a massive van full of people?
That's what I mean, that's what I was thinking.
Especially like workers.
They get so much.
They get loads of food. I don't think it looks too busy.
Who is this person though?
No,
it's that one.
That person in the grey car, but I don't know. Was there two people?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, it's barely anyone. Or we'll just go behind
There's
him. There's two people. I think it's a man and a woman. We'll see how long they take to order. Allowed to look, and
because if we look, we're gonna see
what they're ordering.
I did see something though.
I did see something as well.
Oh,
we're not allowed to look. We can't look at all.
can't.
What if their bill is really expensive?
I actually can't look.
That's on me.
And they're taking ages to order as well.
Oh my god. If they order loads of food, oh my god.
They've actually taken ages to order.
Oh my god.
It looks like they're ordering for a whole car full. There's only two people in the car though.
I'm actually scared right now, like really scared.
Hi, can I take your order?
Hi, this sounds really weird, but can I just order what the person in front ordered, please?
Sorry?
Can I just order what the person in front of me ordered?
What the other person ordered?
Yeah, I think it was quite a big order.
Yeah, it was a very big one, yeah.
Yeah, that one, please.
You want to order the exact same?
Yeah, sorry, thanks.
There's so much food. I don't actually know what food it is. I could just see that there was loads of food. I've got my money out ready to pay, but I don't know how much it's going to be. 40 Great British pounds for a McDonald's. There was two people in the car.
I actually did not think that we'd get this much.
No, I didn't. Why did they order so much food? They've given us the sauces.
Thank you.
Oh my god, there's 5 drinks. There's 5 drinks. Are you kidding me right now? I don't know what I'm going to do with all of this. We have got 2 massive bags of food. This is actually a joke. So,
we've got 2 massive bags.
I think we've got 2 Fantas, 2 Cokes, and is that an apple juice?
Yeah, let's see. Does it say? No, it doesn't say what's actually on there. There's 7 chips. Oh my god.
You're lying.
1, 2, 3,
Surely
4,
not.
5, 6. Look at these chips.
Oh my god.
What the hell are we actually going to do with all this food?
What is that? What is in there? We need to know what's in here.
We've got a cheeseburger, a double cheeseburger plain, 6 nuggets, cheese and bacon McCrispy, quarter pounder, and a McChicken sandwich.
No, you're lying.
What the hell? Let me just show you.
Guys, this is actually a joke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
This is 6
It's mostly
meals.
burgers.
This is 6 meals.
And can I just say, we literally picked the most randomest car. Like, this is so genuine as well.
I'm literally like, what do we even do?
McChicken sandwich, you're not going to have that. We're going to have to take this home.
Yeah. Oh, we can't eat all of this.
I'll have that. We'll put these 2 burgers in here.
And we can share the nuggets.
Yeah. What sausage did we get? We got
sweet and sour.
I like that.
More sweet and sour. There was one different flavour.
Sweet curry.
Sweet curry.
Oh yeah, I've
But I don't like either of them.
What drink are you gonna get?
I'll probably have the Fanta.
Yeah, I'll probably have the Coke.
First question is, who spends money worst?
I'd probably say me.
I would say me. Example today, I paid for everyone's drinks.
Oh yeah.
I paid for a lot of people's stuff that I don't need to. Like if we go out, I've been paying for everyone's drinks, like doing a round, when I don't need to do that. I would say me. But then I also don't really spend a lot of money on clothes and all that, whereas you do. I spend more money on people and you spend it on yourself. So you can go either way really.
What's the weirdest things that we've ever done?
Maybe skydiving. It wasn't exactly weird for me, but probably a lot of people would say that it's weird.
No. I think it's like out there. I actually don't know.
You're just not out there.
Not really. I don't do anything like this out there. That was a bad question for me. What's your biggest red flag?
What?
Really?
Our biggest red flag or our biggest
oh.
red flag for a boy?
Do both.
Okay, go first then.
Biggest red flag for a boy is like when they're like friends with like loads of girls and they're really over friendly.
When they don't get on well with your family.
Yeah.
I'd say that's quite a big red flag.
What's my biggest red flag?
You're on your phone quite a lot.
Yeah. I'm always on my phone.
My biggest red flag, it's not a bad thing, but I work quite a lot. Like I'm pretty much always working. What's something that we say way too much? I know what yours is.
Yours is... Oh, no, this
Let's do it
isn't...
for each other.
This isn't something you say, but it's something you do. When we're all having a conversation and she ain't involved, she goes, what? But she won't stop until you've told her. Bear in mind, we're in the middle of a conversation, but she's like, what? Tell me. And then she goes, Brooke.
Yeah, because I feel left out. I feel left out.
Yeah, but you could have waited until the conversation's finished.
No, I can't wait. What you say quite a lot is, you say hella, you say bruh.
I don't want the rest of that burger. I'm done. I'm stuffed.
I am.
I couldn't even eat all that burger.
Got 4 lots of chips in there still.
And 3 burgers.
Why are they ordering so much food? I'm so confused.
We're gonna have to put it all into one bag, Lil. So
There was 2 of them in there.
Oh, that's the thing. I thought, oh yeah, there's 2 of them.
We were thinking, oh, it's going to be fine. Guys, if you had that much food, comment down below what you would do with it, because we're not really very sure what we're going to do with it.
What was my worst fashion phase? I'd say skinny jeans.
Oh, yeah.
I used to wear like skinny jeans and Kenzo jumpers.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was bad, actually.
What was yours? To be fair, you do just wear like tracksuits and that. So.
Ripped jeans. Maybe ripped jeans, because I did have like some big ripped holes in my jeans.
So did
actually.
I. This is a really random one, but what's your favourite food? I just like everything really. That's probably bad for you.
Stone baked margarita pizza.
I do like stone baked pizzas.
Is it the stone baked ones that are like really thin but then have like airy crusts?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Ones in a pizza oven.
Yeah, the ones in the pizza oven.
Imagine we switched roles for the day. I did your work and you did
I
mine.
think you would complain the
I would
whole
hate
time.
it.
You would hate my job because... Oh, Dad's calling me back. Hello?
I would love a Big Mac.
Dad, they've ordered 6 meals.
Are you coming home?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm hungry. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit,
Bye.
bye. Well, that's what we're going to do with the food then.
What's the plans for the future? Well, I've actually just left school. I finished on
Friday. Last week.
I've got 2 exams. Did my business and I got distinction. So now I'm not going to say what I'm doing, but I'm doing a course in something to do with fitness, which you can probably gather. I've just done my CV so I can apply to a job in London, which I'll do on the side of my course. And then once I finish my course and a couple months in, then I can quit my job and just focus on what I'm doing and my social media and stuff like that.
My plan is by June I'm going to be finished at the school until September. So I've got a few months off, so I'll be focusing more on my social media. I'll also be doing more classes, more baking classes, master classes, probably do like a sip and bake sort of thing as well. Host a few of them over the summer. We have now eaten as much as we can eat. We are very full. We still have so much food left though, so we're going to go and give it to my dad and my uncle who are at home, and hopefully they will eat the rest of the food for us because we can't eat anymore. Got all the food. Let's see how much they can all eat.
Who's having that cheeseburger?
That's actually a joke. So funny, they're both sharing it, and just before I started filming, Dad said to me they're going to cut the chicken burger in half and share the chicken burger between them. They probably will eat all of it, to be fair. I'm feeling so full now. We didn't even eat loads. Like we did, but there was so much more food that we should have eaten, but we just didn't. So that is now the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see any more videos like that, like challenges, stuff like that, then comment down below because I would like to know if that's what you would like from me. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Bye!